Let me show you how to turn flowers into a show-stopping garnish. If there's one thing I learned from my grandmother, it's that presentation is key, and God is in the details. These sugared flowers are useful to have on hand to beautify any dessert. Now, not all flowers are edible, so you're going to want to do your research. Today I'm going to use pansies and rose petals. With a pastry brush, carefully dust each blossom for grit and remove the stems, making sure the flowers are perfectly dry. Then place them on a sheet of parchment or wax paper. Next, take a small bowl and whisk an egg white with 1 teaspoon of water until it is slightly thinned. Dip a small brush in the egg white and lightly coat each flower. Then take some superfine sugar and sprinkle it liberally all over the buds. These usually take 24 to 36 hours to dry, but once they do, they last up to 6 months. Store them in an airtight container. Mine won't usually last that long, but they're delicious. What would you put sugared flowers on? I'd love to know. Share with me in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more modern pioneering tips.